up, you guys? It's your girl Shay and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how do you fix a wig that is a bit too thin in just a few simple steps. Also, I'm going to be giving a review of the wig at the end, so stay tuned for that. So this wig was sent to me by a company called Kia, I believe. And I was actually super excited when they reached out because I had been eyeing them on Amazon. So the wig came with a few little trinkets, as you can see here, in a plastic bag labeled 10-inch, which was weird because they were supposed to send me a 12-inch. So I was like, Anyway, these are the lashes that came with the wig. Not so bad for the price point. And then they also sent me some stocking caps. Now y'all know these too white for me. So this is Miss Girl in all of her glory. My first initial thought was OMG, the color is bomb. Like, look at those highlights and lowlights. Y'all cannot deny the color of this wig is so cute. So this is the inside structure of the wig. Basic netting, the combs where you would need them, the elastic bands, all that good stuff. Now, the only thing that was kind of alarming at this point, this closure looks small. What y'all think? This ain't look like no 4x4. This look like a 3x3. But yeah, the knots were pretty good. I'm going to show you that right now. The knots are pretty good. So yeah, as you can see, it is really thin though. From just looking at it, you can see how thin it was. And I already knew that the density was not going to work for me. So I decided to go in and add some additional tracks to the wig in order to thicken it up. And these are the ones I colored myself. They were just natural Brazilian Remy, and I colored and shredded them a little bit so that they'll have the same shape as the ones that are already on the wig. I just used BW2 and some Clairol, I think 30 and 20 developer, and that's the color that I came up with. Alright, so this is the wig on a mannequin, and as you can see, she is uneven. She is shorter in some places. I'm going to show you on the top right now. Look at that, guys. Much shorter. The hair that on the closure is much shorter than the hair that's on the rest of the wig. I thought that was a bit strange. Again, the color is so beautiful. I could not get over the color, but I'm just going to comb it and play with it so that you guys can really see, look, it's really thin in some areas. It's uneven. So y'all know, and I don't have a full chubby face. I couldn't put that on my head like so. I could not put that on my head like so, guys. I mean, look at it. The wig honestly looks like the hair is damaged. But it doesn't feel damaged. So that was my thing. It doesn't feel damaged, but it looks as though it had split ends and things of that nature. So I was a bit concerned at this point, but don't worry, we are gonna come back from this. And just showing you a color comparison, I think I did a pretty good job with the coloring, seeing as I eyeball that and I'm not a professional. So yeah. At this point, I had already separated some of the hair, so I'm just showing you the amount of space that was left between most of these tracks, which is a lot. So I'm just going to take my track that I did. I cut the tracks to the size of the wig, and I'm just going to apply them in that space, leaving an equal space between the track above and the track below so that it has stretch. So this is me just stitching it down. At this point, I think I was already more than midway through the wig. But I was like, let me just come and show you guys me stitching it down. I used some T-pins to secure the track while I sew and did the... I don't even know what that method called when you do the little loop-de-loop thing with the thread so that it has a knot after every stitch. I did that just to... have security. And yeah, I'm showing you guys this in real time so y'all can see how thick them damn tracks was. It took me a minute to get the needle. Look at me struggling. It took me a minute to get the needle through, guys. It took me a minute. But all in all, I want to say it was about an hour I spent, or maybe an hour and 15 minutes, but not that long, not as long as I thought, adding tracks to the hair. And I didn't go from the nape of the wig. I went from almost like the back of my head. So I added about, how much did I add? I added about 6 to 8 tracks in the wig. As you guys can see, and if you are not new to my channel, you know I am a big girl, I'm a thick girl, I have a chubby face. I can't, and my face is like heart shaped. Is it heart or diamond? One of them. But I can't be walking around with no thin wig. Will look like baby doll hair. I cannot. And I was like determined to fix this wig because I loved the color so much, and I never tried this color. Also, I never tried like a bob in this color because usually I wear longer hair. So girl, I had to get it together. So yeah, this is just me stitching and sewing, letting you guys see. Hopefully you can see. And for y'all, some of y'all in the comments who don't know what to say, we all see what that is. We all see what it is. We all know what SH is, okay? These are many, many years old. I don't want to hear it. Thank you very much. All right, so it's kind of giving a little luscious now. It's giving more full, and it also looks more even, which I love. And then these are the end results. So I went all the way up to the closure. I didn't want to add anything on the closure because I wasn't sure which parting and how I was going to wear the wig. Also, I did not bleach the knots on the closure. I wanted to try it out and see like how it would go without bleaching the knots. Usually I bleach knots on my wigs. But yeah, this is now the density of the wig. You can see a physical difference, which I love. I just need to go in and do my finishing touches. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. I love the way it turned out. What do you guys think? Y'all, also we need to get into how well the bundles that I bleached are blending with this wig. Like, come on now. Come on. That color, it's given. I'm sorry, it's giving professional. I'm sorry, it's giving professional. Like, that color is so stinking cute. Hey guys, so first of all, it's been I lied, it's been like a month since I recorded the first beginning half of this video. So this is the wig that I was working on. I wore it on my birthday, so this is my second time wearing the wig since then. So I feel like now I can give a better review of how the hair holds up and everything. Like I said, I wore the hair for my birthday. I did a lot of like water activities and chlorine and everything, and my head completely got wet. I almost died. It was a whole debacle. But the hair, as you can see, the color hasn't changed. It's still really silky, soft, and smooth. It was a little bit like, I don't know, like the ends were kind of frayed. It was a little bit rough, I want to say. Like that very first day after, all I did was put like some serums on it and did like a hot water soak in, what's the thing called? I don't remember the name, but I'll put it on the screen so y'all know what I'm talking about. I did the hot water soak in that with like a serum, and that was that. As you can see, the hair looks pretty good. I also cut off some of those ends because I didn't like the way that the hair sat on me, and I still want to cut it shorter because I want it to be more like of a blonde rather than that little curve that you can see now. But other than that, I was like really happy with the hair. I'm sorry I'm rushing, I'm heading out. Like, I know this is my normal background. I just wanted y'all to really see the hair like fully on me in action. I'll insert some videos as well. So yeah, so only thing I really don't like is, you see right here, I didn't cut that. I didn't do anything to that. That just came out of it. And then over here is a bit like that, but on this side it's more thicker, so it's easier to hide rather than this side. So when I wore it the last time, I just had this side like behind my ear because I wasn't really too much of a fan of it. So I might end up doing that again tonight. But yeah, this is the hair. What do you guys think? Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And please be careful. If you can't be good, at least be careful. Bye.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Ladies,